Welcome to the lab, Planet Squad. I'm Ada, and this is Blessing.
Hello, everyone. Usually, Jacier would be here to greet you, but he's actually on a much-needed holiday exploring the tropical beaches of the Pacific.
So, for today, we are your head scientists.
Wow. This place is so cool. Is that a real submarine over there? What?
That's a remote-operated vehicle, Andre. We use it to explore deep water stocks and see how ecosystems are
Wow,
changing.
it's like a robot diver.
Exactly.
In this lab, we study the triad of threats to our oceans: pollution, overfishing, and climate change.
I've read that you also work on habitat restoration. Is that what those mangrove seedlings in the corner are for?
We help restore seagrass beds and mangroves to give baby fish a safe place to grow up. Healthy ocean ecosystems are dynamic resources that allow us all to learn about biodiversity and sustainable practices.
Now, everyone, take a look through these stereo microscopes. Tell me what you see mixed in with the natural materials.
I see tiny, bright blue and red dots. They look like confetti.
Those aren't confetti, Jing. Those are microplastics. In our lab, we use these tools to find microplastics in mussel tissues and other marine life, to see how pollutants interact with living things.
How do they get there?
A lot of plastic waste ends up in the ocean, where it breaks into tiny pieces. Animals can mistake it for food and eat it. Or get entangled in larger pieces like old fishing nets.
Some plastics even release a chemical called DMS. In the ocean, this scent usually helps seabirds find food.
But when plastics smell like DMS, it confuses the birds into eating the plastic instead.
That's terrible. What can we do to stop it?
We can all help by reducing the plastic we use, like choosing refillable drinking bottles
No, thank you. I've got my own bottle.
and no longer asking for straws.
Cheers.
In this quest for a healthier planet, we believe mothers and women play an important role in teaching these environmental habits to the next generation.
That's one of the reasons we are so passionate about our work as scientists, as women, and as moms.
Look at all the colorful fish. Is there enough room for all of them?
Global fish catches have been declining since the late 1980s because we are taking more than the ocean can replace.
This is a major concern for scientists.
Does that mean we shouldn't eat fish?
We can still eat seafood, but we have to be smart. You can ask the adults in your life to only buy seafood that is sustainably farmed or caught. You just have to check for eco labels on the package.
What about the climate? Does that affect the fish too?
Yes, Jing. Climate change causes global warming and ocean acidification, which makes it harder for some marine creatures to grow their shells. We can help slow this down by choosing to do things that produce less carbon dioxide, like riding a bike to school instead of going in a car.
Now, Planet Squad, it's your turn to be scientists. We're going to see how hard it is to clean the ocean once it gets dirty.
I can't wait!
Step 1. Add your pollution to the clean water. Notice how quickly it spreads through the ocean.
Step 2. Try to pick out the tiny pieces with a spoon. It's almost impossible, right? Step 3. Now pour the water through the funnel and filter. Look at what the filter caught.
This is like the work we do in the lab, finding ways to filter and identify pollutants. But it's much better to keep the rubbish out of the water in the first place by picking it up from the beach.
What's that sound? It's coming from the main display.
Hiya, Die Planet Squad! I hope you're all having a fantastic time in the lab. I've been watching your session from my beach chair. Ada and Blessing are brilliant scientists, and I'm so glad they showed you how we can all become informed advocates for marine conservation. I wanted to pop in because I'm looking at this beautiful blue ocean and thinking about how lucky we are. Before I get back to my vacation, I want to send a huge shout out to everyone celebrating. Happy Mother's Day and a very happy Women's Month to all the incredible women out there protecting our planet. You are the heart of the squad.
Thanks. Don't forget your Reef Safe sunscreen.
And remember, Planet Squad, every action, from recycling in the right bins to saving water, helps us keep our blue planet healthy for everyone.
Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep protecting our amazing planet. See you next time, Planet Squad!